Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. Welcome if you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. You guys are amazing, you guys are the best. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Join the family, you're always welcome. Thank you so much for always coming back. For those of you who have subscribed, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So today's video is all about needle and thread cornrow. Yeah, I've made a video on that before, but the one I'm showing you guys now is the flat twist. Yeah, with needle and thread. So guys, stay tuned where I'll be showing you how I made it. So guys, to achieve this flat twist, it's so simple and easy. Just watch the video well, you will understand what I'm about to say. So what you need to do is to pass the thread, that's the needle, through your hair. You pass it twice, the same way you're seeing. And then when you pass it twice, you bring it out from the other side. That is, you're passing it from the right, you're bringing it out from the left. So after bringing it out from the left and you see it's tight, you have to do it twice. When it's tight, that way you can start passing the thread through the hair, just like that. You pass it through the right, you bring it out from the left, you go again, you pass it through the right, you bring it out from the left. That's just what you'll be doing. Just watch the video. Well, you will see how I made them. It's so easy and easy to do. Like, so many, I got comments, people were asking me if it's painful, if how many hours it's going to take. Guys, this, it's so, like, it's, anybody can do it, a child can do it, a child can do it. Yes, it's not painful at all. It's not painful, and again, it does not take long before you finish. Though I've not tried it on my own hair, I don't know how many hours it takes for people who do it on their own hair to do, because I've not tried it on my hair. But the ones I've been doing on people's hair, I don't take, it doesn't, it's not even up to 1 hour. Maybe the way I'm filming it now, it can take up to 1 hour because I'm filming it, but normally it's not up to 1 hour. So it's so easy and it's painless. How should I say painless? As it does not pain at all. It does not pain the hair. Yeah, so that's how you just want to do it, like you, the way you're seeing on the screen. It's so easy, like so easy. Okay, in case you're wondering if this hairstyle is just for natural hair only, it's not just for natural hair. It is not, because this particular hair I'm using to make this flat twist, it's a relaxed hair. The hair is relaxed, as you can see. It's so relaxed, like relaxed. Just that it's not since it's not natural hair, it's not really full. That natural look and all those natural look is not there. But this particular hair I'm using, it's relaxed there, and it came out so well. So you can use any hair, relaxed or natural hair, and when you make it, it will come out so nice, like so nice. This particular one I'm doing, it's not natural hair, and it came out so nice. At this point, I was done flat twisting the hair, so I just want to style the back of the hair just to make it look more nice and beautiful. That's just what I want to do at the back. after styling the hair, I'm just going to use my scissors to trim it and then apply edge control to the edges just to make it lay down, and that's all for the hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't leave without subscribing. Support your girl by hitting the red button and also the like button. Share with your friends. If you find it helpful, share it with your friends. They can also learn from it. It's so easy. Like I said, it's so easy, guys. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.